Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can send Snap to everyone at once. To do that, you need to create a group in Snapchat. And to create a group in Snapchat, first you need to get yourself a snap. Doesn't matter if it's a video or a photo, just click a random snap. And then what you need to do is click on where it says send to. And once you click on send to, at the top you can see the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, this thing will pop up. At the bottom you need to click on new shortcut. Now over here, you need to select the people to whom you want to send the snap in one click. So I'm going to select all the people to whom I want to send my snap in just one click, and then click on create shortcut. Once I click on create shortcut, at the top it's going to ask me to choose an emoji. I need to click on choose emoji at the top and choose an emoji for this group. So I'm going to choose this as an emoji for this group. Click on create shortcut. Once I do that, as you guys can see, now the group with the tick mark is appearing at the top. Now if I want to send a snap, I can just click on that group logo at the top, then click on select over here at the bottom. Once I click on select, every single people on the group will be selected. And if I click on the arrow at the bottom right again, then the snap is going to be sent to the people on that group instantly like that. So that's how you guys can send snap to everyone at once. Hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.